Bump started going down it.
You bump start it?
This thing goes down the stairs.
Oh, not another bump start video. Oh.
Okay, so warm up on the track. No, this is really hard this time. Last time I was still soft, now it's gone hard.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to focus, when you're going down the straightaways, you're gonna have to squeeze your knees. Because then now the bike will get loose. Before the dirt was soft, now it's hard. Okay, so make sure you're squeezing your knees and you're getting your shifts right, then forward in the corners. Okay, look up and don't rush. Well, let's ease into it. Do a few warm-up laps, okay? Okay. Get down. Warm up, eh? Hudson, do a nice warm up, lap 2. Let's just focus on getting our technique and our corners nice, okay? So don't try to send it. Yeah, buddy. Shift down. Shift down. There we go. But remember you're shifting. Like that one there, you're in second gear. You've got to shift up. But then shift down in the corner. Still focus on those little things. So don't try and go too fast.
My foot slipped once I hit the third one.
Yeah, but you're looking good, dude. Every time down the straight, you're nice and forward on the bike coming out the corners. So stand up, squeeze your knees, do your shifting, and don't just try to be flat out. So just focus. Let's go like 60%. Ride nice and smooth, and I want to see you use your corners nicely. Get nice and forward. Have your leg out. Squeeze your bike, and remember your shifting. So just let's work on technique, because you're actually looking way better when you slow it down. Shift down. Shift down. Shift down. Nice and forward. Get down. So when you're coming into your corner, make sure you're looking where you're going. So when you're coming into the corner, now you look at all those holes. Now you can look ahead and see where you want to go. If you're looking down, you can't see where you want to go. And especially now when it's deep, you need to look up.
Alright, we got a helmet change.
You can start using your back brakes from here. Okay, so let your wheels land, then you get on your brakes. Okay, so you can hold on your brakes a little bit over here, and then by the time we get to you need to be off your brakes. You don't want to be turning on this hard stuff and be on your brakes, because then your front wheel will want to wash. Okay, let's go.
But one thing.
What's that?
Can you go around that track?
Which one?
The one.
The sand one?
Yeah. No, not the sand one. The one over there. The one we were riding.
Okay, after the section we'll go to that one.
I fixed some jumps in there.
Oh, you got some jumps, is that why? Okay, so let's do this section. I want to see you do your front and back brake, do your gear down, look ahead. If you get this corner good, we'll go do that one.
Yeah.
Okay, deal. Let's go. Oh, what a case!
Wait, what was that?
More than one. Gear down. Front brake. Back brake. Gear down.
Is this my brake?
That's your front and that's your back.
What?
You've got to use a little bit of your back brake. Okay, let's practice some. We'll practice. Okay, let's go to that turn track. Practice back brakes and then we'll come back. Don't do any jumps. Straight up and down. And I want you to practice using your back brake. Okay. No, not while we're doing the back brake. Once you show me, you can.
Back brake right now.
Just for right now. No front. I want you to see what it feels like.
Is that front?
That's front. So look, this stops your front wheel. This one stops your back wheel. So if you use them together slowly, the whole bike stops together. When you just use the front, the problem is too much weight goes onto the front and it makes the front want to wash. So you've got to use a bit of both. Okay, back brake. Yeah, not so hard. So you've got to just slowly push on it. You know how you have your front brake? So think about it. If you just went like this, the whole front will lock up. So when you go and push on this hard, the whole back locks up.
Do both?
No, for now, just the back. Eventually we do both. But you got to, look here, you've got to be soft on it. Don't press down on it. And back brake! I can't believe he's never used his back brake.
Doesn't even know what.
Nope, no idea what it does. Yeah. And back brake. There we go. Nice, Hudson. Go down. Shift up. Shift up. Use your back brake. Shift out. Then turn. Okay, so I want you to use back brakes and shifting. Okay. Shift down. Shift down. So much to think about, dude. In the beginning, learning the front brake, back brake, gears, clutch. Shift and brake. Not so hard. There we go. Okay, now I want you to go, shift, and when you get to me, I want you to use your front and your back brake. Okay. Oh! Too much front. Smooth on the front brake. Okay, you see how quickly it stops? Both brakes, you've got to be smooth on your foot, smooth on your foot. Okay, so not hard on each. Smooth and smooth. Yes! That's it! Okay, you can do the whole track now. Go have some fun on the jumps. And shift before your jumps. I don't want to hear you revving out before your jump. There we go! Post brake. Gear down, gear down. Shift down. Hey?
Hey, quit looking at the camera.
What?
I know
No, you're concentrating too much on the camera.
Right.
Not focusing on the training, on the camera. Your body's a lot better, but you're forgetting to shift out the corners. You're screaming the bike down the straight. So as you come here, you're good with shifting down now, but as you come up, just shift one up. It'll make the bike handle so much better. So what are you focusing on?
Back brake and front brake.
Okay, and? Okay,
Shifting.
there we go. Oh yeah? Okay, I want to see that.
Work on your high fives too.
They're working hard.
Like I said, dude, it's a lot to think about, but soon you're going to have it dialed. Clutch, front brake, back brake, gears, get forward, squeeze your knees, stand up.
All those things.
The 50 was easy, just gas and brake.
True.
When you forward, the bike turns.
You know
You need help.
32 million people die a year from mosquitoes? From Lyme disease? You know
I did not know that exact number, no. But thanks for the fact.
that? But it's on Animal Planet, so.
Oh, nice. So you have a good memory. Except when you have to shift.
That was such a good joke.
Whoa!
You know the right position. Right there. Be centered, that's it. You don't need to hang your butt off the back.
That's what pros do.
Not that far back, you're falling off your bike.
Pro shift though.
Yeah, pro shift out the corner. Straight out the corner. Not at the end of the straight.
Have you ever got first in a race?
Yes.
Name one.
Well, wow. Well, I won my championship in South Africa last year. And then I won a Cull Classic. Weren't you there? Your brother raced that, he won a championship too.
Oh.
I won the college boy one there.
I won Supercross.
Yeah, I haven't won a Supercross, you got me there, dude. There we go.
You never used the back brake?
Never. He's never used it. He didn't know what it did.
That moto fin's perfect for you then.
Toes in, nice and forward. Okay, look up and smooth on the gas.
Just remind me, I did that before.
Always got to find the mud.
My life.
What gear were you in? I'm gonna find out right now. Second. You were in third.
This is Motos. A little tired.
What are we going for? What are we training for?
Nice,
Lorettas.
We'll try to get someone to fix your bars. So I'll be back here Thursday, and then I'll chat to you later about taking you to Parla on Friday. Sounds good.